Oh, you missed.
The walk cracks me up. B, are you sucking in your gut? That's how he walks. You should have seen him at the park. He had one hand behind, and he kept walking like this, like just like that.
That's how I walk around the house. That's probably where he gets it.
Can you show us your walk?
He sometimes says it looks like a spiral. Oh, you want some more water? Whoops, we drift.
Wow, that's graceful. More water. He was like really, really down in the water.